YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this one is from PACSUN. My son got a $50 gift card for his birthday. Hasn't spent it until a couple of days ago, or last week. So he got a $50 gift card, and then he spent on this. He said it was a Guess t-shirt or something. So anyway, I don't even know what he bought, but I'm doing this unboxing for you guys to check it out. All right, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Hopefully there's no receipt in here. Yeah, this poly bag so strong. Oh, there is the receipt. Oh, and there's that. So he spent, I guess, pale red / red size medium t-shirt for $44, and this is $10. Oh my god, what is he doing? This one is the Champion Authentic Athletic Apparel. This one is $10, so with tax $4.73, so total is $58.73. So I'm not sure why he didn't search for coupon or anything like that, because normally we don't pay retail price. So this one is pretty cool. This is original Guess, Los Angeles, made in India, size medium. And then that is the barcode. And this is from PACSUN. Handle with care. So you got this nice embossed Guess, and then Los Angeles. Not embroidery. Not sure this is like an iron on or something, so hopefully it's not going to come out easy. And as you can see, size medium. And this is the inner label right here. And then the back is nothing. So let's check on the socks real quick. Oh, how come they didn't tape it? So this one is the Crew socks, size 6 to 12. made in China. So you got this nice big champion on the toward the outer torso of your ankle or your foot. But I don't like the white socks. They tend to get stained or dirty fast. So, and he's pretty rough with his shoes already, the younger one. So I'm not sure how long this one will last. Because a lot of their socks rip and torn. So sometimes mine does that too. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and then give a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and be sure to turn on that bell for notification, and drop any on the comments on below. All right, I'm not sure this is worth about $44 for this guess t-shirt, because I had to get it when it's on sale. And actually I saw some of them at the Burlington or Ross or TJ Maxx for cheaper than $44. Anyway, thank you for watching, and happy Sunday, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.